All right, today we're going to be showing you our new Stealth soft wash system. What we got here is a aluminum reel with a stainless steel manifold. We have a low pressure plastic hose reel swivel. I got 3/8 line at 200 feet. I have a custom PVC gun that we've constructed here. This kind of system is used for roof washing. Bleach spraying is the most popular use of these type of systems. It is powered by a 12-volt battery, and I have a 4 gallon per minute diaphragm pump that runs at about 70 psi. And I just want to show you what kind of power I can actually get out of this really small unit, something that we've just put together here, and we're going to start selling them online over at jnequipment.com and on Stealth pressure washers. I'm going to use 2 different nozzles today for my test. One's going to be a 40 degree at 20 gallons a minute. And then I have, this is going to be for my fan, 40 degrees at 20 gallons a minute. And then I have a 0 tip, which is a 0 degree at 20 gallons a minute. I'm going to use these 2 tips today for our demonstration. So I want to show you first how well of a fan pattern we're going to get. And then I'm going to show you what kind of distance we can shoot with a 0 degree tip. So let's go ahead and start our fan pattern. As you can see, we get really good coverage. You know, one of the main things when you're doing roof cleaning is you don't want to put too much material down. You're trying to eliminate runoff and oversaturation. You know, we really just want to put down as much as we need to at a given time. And as you can see, it only took us about 30 seconds or less really, and we just covered a pretty good area here. If you were up on a roof really quickly, you'd probably be able to do a 2,000 square foot roof in about 20 minutes, especially once you get your practice in. So we just switched over to our 0 degree tip, and I want to first show you how high I could shoot, and then I'm going to show you a distance shot. So here we have a 2-story building, pretty tall 2-story building, got the whole forklift dock up there, so we're a relatively tall building. So here we go. We are getting well over our roof line here. Hard to shoot directly into the sun, but we get some really good distance on this thing. We are going well over the roof line of our 2-story building. You know, so you can get a real good distance. Definitely get up to the 2nd story of a house, no problem, from the floor. You could probably do easily do those wood panel side townhomes where there's actually no roof on there. So now we're going to do a distance shot just across. I have a tape measure here on the ground. Get your back up against that fence to where my line starts, and let's see what kind of distance I could shoot here using my new soft wash system. Once again, this pump is only pushing about 70 psi at 4 gallons a minute. Wow, and I'm actually going all the way past the grass here. He was able to spray me from way over there. And this distance from that fence to this line is 48 feet and 4 inches. So almost 50 feet. I was able to spray almost 50 feet here across the floor using this pump. You know, just going to show you don't need high pressure. You don't need a ton of volume. As long as you design your system correctly and set everything up right, you're actually able to get great performance out of these smaller diaphragm pumps. Easily shot 50 feet, easily got to the 2nd story of this building. You know, so this is going to be a real winner, I think, for a lot of guys getting into the soft wash market. It's very popular right now. So we're going to be selling this as a full unit, pre-built, really designed to be bolted onto the back of a truck or on your trailer, and be able to just pull up to someone's house, knock out some roof jobs in 20 to 30 minutes and move on to your next one. You know, it's taken about, I would say, 30 days of design on this. I've gone back and forth on a lot of different components. I think I've really got it all put together well. You know, once again, this reel is an aluminum reel with a stainless steel manifold and with this plastic swivel three pretty important components when putting this together, because obviously we're designing this to run bleach, and we just want to make sure that it's able to withstand the bleach. And you know, what's powering this whole thing is a diaphragm pump, 4 gallons a minute at about 70 psi. You know, and like I said, this is really going to be a hot seller. We've been getting a lot of interest down here in South Florida, and I expect across the nation, soft washing is becoming more and more prevalent. You know, you guys will see more systems like this out there, and we're glad to be able to produce a really good system, and I think we're going to be able to sell it at a price that's very attractive. I've seen people selling this similar system, not identical, because this one is actually custom made I made it myself, for about $2,000, and I'm hoping to be about half that cost. So keep an eye out for that. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call over at JN Equipment, or come over to jnequipment.com, and you know where to find us.